Hello everyone, so let me show you how to create a Wix store using one of your Wix sites. First of all, let's go to one of our sites. I'll select this one to open up the dashboard. Once that has loaded, what we're going to do is click on this edit site. The website editor will take its time, so let's give it a couple of seconds. Here we go. So here on the panel on the left side, we're gonna go on add apps, and then we can either search for store, or if we go down into sell online, we can see stores right here. So there's multiple apps that we can use as our store, but what I'll show you today is the Wix stores. So let's go ahead and click this. Then what we're going to do is click add to site. Let's wait for this to load. And here we are. So now it has uploaded everything. We can go ahead and set all of this up. There are some things that we can do, add a product, define shipping regions, connect payment methods as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a look at the products that we have. And now this will give us the Wix dashboard as a store itself. So here are some of the sample products that we have. We can customize everything that we want. We can promote this product, we can hide it, we can even delete it or duplicate it. If you want to add a new product, we can go ahead and do so. So this can either be a physical product or a digital product. So let's go ahead and do digital file. And here, as you can see, everything is fully customizable. You can upload your image, give some basic information about it, add any images or videos, the pricings, the cost of goods, profit margin, inventory, and shipping as well. And all of the items that we need for our product is all shown here. So you can go ahead and explore all of this. But there you go. You have now connected your store into your site. And as you can see right here, here is the current store set inside your Wix website. Now, if you have found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.